Good morning. Welcome back. Day 9 of the Trailer Queen bike build. Today we're looking at discussing and hopefully solving the issues around different fork stanchion diameters. What's the issue? Well, the manufacturer, Yamaha, decided to produce this bike with different size forks over a number of years. They were 30mm diameter and then 31mm diameter. And of course, 31 doesn't go into 30 or vice versa. On closer inspection, the fork yokes on the bike frame and parts that are purchased were 30mm, but they were pitted and battle scarred. So I went and found myself a pair of exact model 1976 Yamaha DT 175 forks. When they arrived, they were 31mm fork stanchion diameter. So the predicament was, do I open out the fork yokes or do I purchase more? Bear in mind that when embarking on a project you have a figure in mind, but as you get deeper into the project it's tempting to spend more and more. Bearing the budget in mind, I decided to open out the fork yokes to 31mm, which doesn't seem a lot, but it has to be done quite precisely, accurately, otherwise issues will arise on the fit of the fork stanchions in the yokes. So again, it was going to need a substantial investment, but I'm more likely to buy a tool that'll expand my toolkit for the future than just a one-off part that I might never need again. So I found myself looking at reamers, tapered reamers, and that's the way I've gone. I found a tapered reamer ever so slightly larger at 31.725. Bear in mind that when I'm using the reamer, I'll stop at a certain point of the taper and keep trying the fork leg stanchion in the yokes, top and bottom. Coupled with cheap and nasty plastic vernier calipers, I can monitor the size of the yoke as it starts off, and then as the hole in the yoke is opened out using the tapered reamer. So that's the principle. When I'm finished, I'll have a set of top and bottom yokes that'll accept 31mm fork stanchions, and the project will move on again rather than being halted with this issue. I'll pause the video, and the next time you see me, I'll be in the garage using the reamer to open out the top and bottom yokes. Hello, welcome back. No, I'm not in the garage. No reason to at this point. The reamer came, I measured it, and the dimensions of the start of the taper were larger than the holes in the top and bottom yokes. So, big fail. That reamer wasn't the angle I expected, didn't have a start on it that I expected. So, it's been returned, and a smaller reamer finishing at 31mm, so hopefully starting a lot smaller than that, is my latest reamer purchase. Hiccups? Yes, all projects have hiccups. Learning curve? Well, every day is a school day. Join me again soon when I've got a new reamer that will at least start in the hole that it's meant to open out to 31mm. Thanks for watching.